Copenhagen, capital of Denmark. Copenhagen, the vibrant capital of Denmark, perfectly balances history and modernity. Located on the island of Zealand and partially on Amager in the country's east, it sprawls across a landscape of canals and bridges, making it a navigable and captivating urban center. Founded in the 12th century as a modest fishing port, it quickly evolved into a prosperous trading hub and later became Denmark's political, cultural, and economic heart. Its historical legacy, evident in every corner, reflects centuries of transformation, establishing it as one of Northern Europe's most influential cities. Today, Copenhagen is home to over 800,000 residents, with its metropolitan area exceeding 2 million, approximately one-third of the nation's population. Sustainability is central to Copenhagen's identity. With numerous parks and green spaces, it ranks among Europe's most eco-friendly cities. The canals crisscrossing the city not only add to its charm, but also serve as vital transportation routes. Copenhagen is a city designed for people, featuring expansive pedestrian zones. Its extensive cycling network and strong biking culture see over 60% of residents commuting by bicycle daily. This, paired with an efficient, eco-conscious public transportation system, underscores its reputation as one of the most pedestrian and environmentally friendly capitals in the world. The city's bridges connecting its islands are another defining feature. Beyond their functionality, these structures are architectural masterpieces that enhance Copenhagen's beauty. They symbolize innovation and elegance, transforming the city's skyline into an unforgettable visual spectacle.